今日はねまだ今練習中なので、ちょっとブルーエンジェルスのスタッフの動きをフィルムしてみたいと思います。 Let's go!更新 HD すごい。
One of our many practice flight demonstrations of the 2025 Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Freeport, Maine, Lieutenant Commander Connor O'Donnell. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Baltimore, Maryland, Commander Thomas Zimmerman. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Georgetown, Texas, Lieutenant Commander Wes Perkins. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Beaufort, South Carolina, Major. Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Canton, Connecticut.